Hi everyone, come with me to the TikTok offices here in Austin. I took the Uber in and I had one of the loveliest Uber drivers, and he was chit chatting about languages and how he's learning German. And I was telling him how I'm struggling with my Korean. But we had clear skies, and he was such an absolute sweetheart. We had the best conversation, so I took less videos going into Austin, and it was so pretty. I was invited along with maybe 50 to 60 other creators to spend some time at their HQ here in Austin. And contrary to everything that was discussed, but it was an amazing experience. And this is the entrance to their offices in downtown Austin. And this is me. Hello, 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 hello. So this was by the elevators. And it is kind of cute to have this purple because I also have it in my profile photo. And this is me standing in the line. I didn't want to point the camera at anyone's faces. But those people who were in front of me ended up becoming friends, and we exchanged numbers and TikTok handles. We did I actually personally loved the sunlight, and the views were phenomenal. You can see the lake from here. And if you look carefully, you can also see joggers, and you can see some people on the water as well. The TikTok headquarters is what you would expect it to be. It is so spacious, it's gorgeous. They also had a little table here on the side with some giveaways. There was caps, there were badges, there was water bottles, and just I was obsessing over these giant windows and just the clear view. I've worked in New York City, and we do get views out of the window the window, but this is just something different. And this was our seating area. I didn't bring a laptop, but it was great to be sat here. We did do an exercise that was really fun. It was sort of like an elevator pitch of sorts of what you do. And that was just so much fun. Again, the views, as I'm just going to walk you around this floor that we were on. We didn't see too many of the TikTok employees, of course, because they had like a separate floor where they did these types of community events and invited creators, and I'm guessing also brands probably come and hang out on this floor. um, and then they also, this is the bar we went to, and it was just some of us who ended up hanging out with each other. That's someone wonderful. I went there and we just walked about, and we didn't even realize it was 9 or 10 p.m. And yeah, it was like 10 p.m. But this is downtown Austin. There were food carts, but I don't know if why these were not open, but typically they stay open. Um, but again, clear night, gorgeous, gorgeous outside here in Austin. The TikTok experience is just so great, even in person. When you meet people, you're seeing different creators from different parts of life, different walks of life, different content styles, and much, much more. And everyone is just sharing their personal stories and what they struggle with. So you don't really feel alone in the process, which is a feat in itself. And this was the pen I got from the event. More later. Thank you.